Lie down, please.
Ow! I can't! I can't!
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
can't! I can't!
Put your hands behind your back.
How?
Behind your back.
Help! 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 Help!
You just committed 4 crimes in a row. Just because you don't agree it's a crime doesn't mean it's not a crime.
Man, it ain't the point of that, man. You ain't got nothing better to do besides mess with me.
Guess what?
All I'm trying to do is go home, man. I'm tired. I just got off of work.
Look at me. I've got 2 options. I can either arrest you or write you a ticket.
It doesn't matter, man. Do what you got to do besides keep harassing me, man.
I'm not harassing you.
Yes, you are.
That's all in your mind, man. Write him a ticket. He wants to act like a punk.
Okay, man. That's what you want to say.
Y'all ain't got shit else to do besides harass somebody about fucking walking.
Put your hands behind your back. Do not. Stop. Drop the bag. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
I just told you.
Sir, look. Sir, don't do that. No.
Motherfucker. 43 on foot. White male. A black male. White tank top. Thinks it's funny. You know what's funny is you're going to get f***ed up hardcore. Get on the ground.
Oh my God.
There you go, Rush.
I can't, man. I can't breathe. 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 Oh my God. Ow. 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 Ow.
I don't know what your problem is. I don't know if you got a gun. I don't know if you got a knife.
How?
I don't have X-ray fucking vision.
Man, stop yelling at me, talking to me.
Well, get up and put you in a car, tough boy. Do anything stupid, you're gonna get hurt further.